Turn this off immediately. If you don't want Facebook tracking you. Facebook doesn't just track you inside the app, it also tracks what you do on other apps and websites. This happens because of one hidden setting called activity outside Facebook. When this is on, other apps and websites send your activity data directly to Facebook. How to turn it off? First of all, open Facebook. After that, tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then tap on settings icon from here. After that, tap on see more in Accounts Center. Then tap on your information and permission. After that, tap on your activity of Meta Technologies. Then tap on manage future activity. Now here you select disconnect future activity. After that, tap on continue. Then tap on disconnect future activity. This stops future tracking and protects your privacy. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more Facebook tips.